Hello everyone, I'm Vikram P. Maduri here and welcome to SOFTECH. In this session, I'm going to discuss about digital marketing session 1 and looking at the response of this session, I'll be continuing the entire course of digital marketing online because there's a huge requirement, huge market for digital marketing, whether it might be in the from the job perspective or whether it might be from the business perspective. You have huge growth in digital marketing for sure. And before getting into the digital marketing, who can attend these sessions? Anyone who is having a basic idea about software, or who have a zeal to grow their business, grow their career or business, all of them, it will be applicable for them. Whether you might be a 10th fail candidate or you might be a PhD gold medalist, it is required, if it is mandatory for us to know digital marketing. Even if you are a CEO of a company or if you are a fresher, even then digital marketing is must for you. Every one of us should know, and I'll be explaining you why we all have to know about digital marketing. Now, first and foremost is, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the marketing of products or services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet, but also including mobile phones, display advertisings, and any other digital medium. So digital marketing channels are systems based on internet that can create, accelerate, and transmit product value, and whether it might be a product or it might be services, the value of it on the internet, and from producer to the terminal consumer by digital networks. So digital marketing development since the 1990s and 2000 has changed many way brands and businesses use technology for marketing. So as digital platforms are increasingly incorporated into marketing plans and everyday life, and as people use digital devices instead of visiting physical shops, digital marketing campaigns are become more prevalent and efficient than ever before. So digital marketing methods such as search engine optimization, which is popularly called as SEO, search engine marketing, that is called SEM, and content marketing, influencer marketing, content automation, campaign marketing, data-driven marketing, e-commerce marketing, social media marketing, social media optimization, email direct marketing, and display advertising, ebooks, and optical discs and games have become commonplace. Digital marketing extends to non-internet channels that provide digital media such as television, mobile phones, callbacks, and on-hold mobile ringtones. And the extension of non-internet channels differentiates digital marketing from online marketing. Another catch-all term for the marketing methods mentioned above, which occur online. So I'll be discussing about each and every topic of this, like branding. How do we do the branding online? Whether it might be free branding or paid branding. How do we develop it? And what are the strategies to do it? And what are the quick fixes that we can do for building a brand? Because when brand builds, automatically the products or services sells faster, because there's a trust developed by the customers to the company or to the organization. And websites. Many of our purchases are been through websites. Like for example, if you have Amazon sales happen, most of the sales happen through websites. So the more better the website and the more flexible the website is, the better it would be for the sales or services to happen. And search engine optimization, how do we optimize with the keywords and all these things we are going to discuss. Advertisements, whether it might be paid advertisements or whether it might be free advertisements, how do we do that and how do we go ahead with that. And social media, how do we make use of the social media for digital marketing is what we'll be going to discuss about the social media. Content marketing is like whether it might be a product, so whether it might be if I let's say I take an example of, let's say I have a video of 1 hour and I'm going to do some a free offer of 1 minute is what I'm going to give it as a trailer for free of cost, and then I'm going to charge for the next or rest of the video. So how do we do that? And viral, how do we make our products or whether it might be services viral? Okay, so whether it might be a video or whether it might be a photo or it might be a message which you are going to make it viral throughout the online through internet, wherein like we can get the mileage to sell our products or services, or a good service, and wherein the customers will by word of mouth will bring more customers again. So in that way, making sure the service is good and we have a right kind of response to the customers issues or any kind of complaints. Now here in the module 1, we are going to discuss about the description of digital marketing. What is digital marketing in detail, and why should we study digital marketing? What is the difference between traditional and digital marketing is what we're going to discuss, and how digital marketing is beneficial over traditional marketing, and how can we grow personally, professionally, and financially by doing digital marketing. And the module 2 will cover strategy of digital marketing. What are the platforms for digital marketing? What strategy we should implement to become successful digital marketing professionals? Practical approach to get real-time experiences in digital marketing is what we're going to discuss. Case study of digital marketing campaign. Process of digital marketing and ad operations. This is properly called as ad ops. And module 3 is social media marketing, which is a huge subject. So we are going to cover a lot of things in social media marketing, wherein the module 1, the sub-module will cover introduction, social media marketing, foundation of social media, what is social media, use of social media, need social media marketing, and time spent on the social media is what we're going to discuss. And module 2 would cover the business of social media, set up business page on social media, growth of business through social media, campaign management on social media is we are going to cover in the module 2. Module 3, we are going to cover creative strategy on social media, what type of creativity is required for social media, and page structure of social media. Module 4 would cover online reputation management, customer relationship through social media, branding awareness, business to customer. And then we have the module 5 will be content marketing for SMM. And in this we have the infographics, information content for social media and all these things. We are going to cover that. So, and module 6 would be covering return of interest for social media, small scale business idea, revenue generation marketing. How do we generate the business through the social media is what we're going to discuss. And module 7 would cover trending social media marketing, comparison of different channels on social media marketing. And module 8, the sub-module, I will cover analytics and reporting on social media marketing, hashtag analysis, time management, audience targeting KPIs. And social media groups, understanding of the groups, viral marketing, sharing tips and idea, organic promotion is what we are going to cover. And then the module 10 sub-module will cover key features of social media marketing, sustained growth for marketing, posting calendar managements. And the module 4 will cover search engine optimization, which is also very extremely important for us to grow online. So SEO course content, what is SEO? Search engine optimization, importance of SEO tools, website niche hosting, domains, key research, on-page SEOs, off-page SEOs, link building, and Google Plus and Bing webmaster tools, and working as SEO website analysis. So module 5 would be cover email marketing, introduction to email marketing, email as conversation, creating the email list, landing pages, the mailing list, spam and blacklists, and all these things. Work with email service providers and creating campaign for email marketing, marketing automation, business for email marketing is what we're going to cover in the email marketing. And in the module 6, we are going to cover search engine marketing and Google AdWords. So pay-per-click introduction, strategizing pay-per-clicks and cost per minute sponsorship campaigns, and marketing analysis, ad writing techniques for search, campaign management, bid management plan, keyword rate optimization, effective landing pages, performance tracking, user psychology, reporting and analysis, question and answer and testing, and search engine optimization and search engine management is what we are going to cover. So these are topics that we are going to cover in digital marketing. And do write your comments, your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/JHSoftech. And if you are looking out for any kind of trainings, you can contact us at training@jhsoftech.com. And if you are looking out for any kind of jobs, you can contact us at jobs@jhsoftech.com. Thank you. Have a great day.